Welcome back, 392 Dogs, back to another video. If you haven't hit that like, subscribe, and comment button, go ahead and do it. Be right there. So today we got a video for y'all. It is the Wickerbill install. So I'm gonna try to get this Wickerbill installed and try to do it the right way in the 300. I kind of messed up. A lot of people don't know that. I chipped my paint on it. So this time I'm using tape and I'm just taking my time on it. So we're gonna get into it. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, so we got the Wickerbill right here. I put tape right here so the way if I mess up, it doesn't scratch my spoiler. Definitely I recommend that. So now, you definitely need 2 people for this, so have 2 people. But first I'm gonna just get a general idea of where I'm gonna put it at. Line it up. The charger's a little different because it's like a fishtail. So what I'm tracking is this right there. I'm just seeing. So what I did was I moved it to where I could see how the rocks. Shit. But what I did was I just cut some of the tape off so I could see where it stops and ends so I can line the Wickerbill up with it. So let's generally try to.
I mean, I can see it there.
Yeah, I can't see. Okay. So we got the holes. Now we're gonna drill. So let me grab my phone and check the measurements out. Okay, so I got a 1/8 and a 25th 64th drill bit. Using a 12 volt rigid drill. They said start off first like this. Cool. Oh. Yeah, this is very nerve-wracking. So this is the middle one. Okay. Real simple. Now,
why don't you just do all the little ones first?
let's see.
That's big.
So now I'm gonna get some needle noses just to pull the plastic out right here. Let me drill it out, should be come right out. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the little one. Okay. I'm gonna grab the little one. And and like shave the outside, you know. I just shaved the inside of it, outside of it and whatnot. Got my hardware right here. Hoping this hardware works. So bam, oh. Should just pop right in. What I'm gonna do is mess it up. Sometimes you just gotta shove it in there. Yep. Yeah, that worked. So go through it again with the drill, and it should pop right in. Yep, there it goes. Pops right in. And now I have a rivet nut tool. Instead of getting a rivet gun, it has like a metal bolt and some washers. And all you do is you put it inside the rivet, and you get a ratchet and then a wrench. And it's gonna rivet it for you instead of buying a rivet gun. So that's one thing I like about this. So this is the ratchet I got is, I can't even tell. So it's a half inch or 11 mil with a half-inch wrench, open and wrench. So you just kind of tighten it. You don't want to tighten it too much. You will mess up the thread. So you just keep going. Until you feel resistance. Once you feel resistance, just loosen it up. And bam. There you go. That's in there. You can see. That's in there. You'll see it. It'll seat inside of that hole. And you pull that off and you, God damn it. Pull that down. And bam, there you go. So I'm gonna do a few more. I'm gonna just go right into the drill. There's no point in me, going up and down, so I'm gonna just drill into it. Bam. Here we go. Put the rivet in there. Slides right in there. Bam. going back now. They got holes in them. That's it. Get this little piece off. Bam! One more going back. Got holes in them. Kind of messed. I kind of felt it almost rethreaded or stripped. So don't give it a lot. Just give it just enough. Cause if it comes out, yep, there you go, bam. So that's all. Grab the 2 washers and just repeat those steps, and it's pretty easy. So I'm gonna show y'all when it's done. Y'all stay tuned. So we finished it. We finished it. It's done. It's done. It looks really good. I think I did a good job on it. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Oh, I think that looks really, really, really good. Shout out Carmine. He has a scat pack, and I think he ordered an extra one of these and bought it for $100. So I'm definitely happy with the purchase, and yeah, looks really good. So pretty easy install, not too hard. Just be patient, and y'all good. So that was an easy install. That was too easy, super easy. Anybody can do it. Don't take it to a shop. Don't do that. Y'all can do it yourselves. So that's just another added thing to the 392 Daytona DOS, you know. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that comment button. Go ahead and like, leave a fire emoji, all that. Y'all have a good one, and maybe think about hitting the meet tonight, so I might throw some footage in there. Hopefully it's a wild night. Some races are supposed to happen, some drifting, so we'll see what's going on. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'm out.